Earlier you have said no that the Hakbang ng Maisog will further insist on its constitutional right. Can you further walk us through on that, sir?
Well, ganito yan. As much as we can, we go through the formalities. So, pumunta kami na doon. Sa Bulacan to nagsimula na hindi na talaga kami na sa Davao kasi siyempre doon man ako. Then sa Davao del Norte medyo okay man. Then so ngayon ang nangyari dito sa Bulacan and sa Dumaguete dito walang response from the LGU. So but since it is a constitutional right, I think the permit is only a formality. But if you really have to, invoke your right, you can express how you really feel. So, kung pigilan ang hakbang ng Maisog, then, like I said, we can really insist to do what we want. Within the bounds of the law. Like I said, it's a peaceful assembly. So as long as there is no damage to any person or property, then it's okay.